to dye these joints. See how they come out. Purple. Royal purple. It's hot. Woo. Let's see how this works out. I got the royal purple, and the shoes kept floating up to the top. So I got this rod right here, and I wedged it up under the desk to keep the sneakers down. And I'm gonna keep them in for about 5 minutes. I filled up the bucket with hot water. I put some salt and a little bit of dishwashing detergent, and it stirred it up, and just dumped the shoes, wedged them down in there with the rod, and I'm kind of curious to see how they come out. Okay, this is exactly 5 minutes later. Let's see the results. Let's see what we got. Take this out. Let's see. Oh, this shit hot. Woo, they hot. What do you think? Should I keep them in there a little bit longer? I don't know, on camera they don't look as purplish as they do in person. They look a little bit more purplish in person, but I'm gonna put them in there for a little bit longer, for a couple of more minutes. Okay, here's the finished product. Again, in person, looking at them, they're about 2 shades more purplish than on camera. But yeah, that's the final product.